Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your Facebook page URL name. Alright, so I'm here on our Facebook fan page, and right here at the top, this https:// facebook.com/Essetino Connections, that is your Facebook URL name. Now, if you don't have this set, it might be a bunch of numbers and letters, which is going to be confusing for people if you try and give them your link. So to change this and to customize it, you want to head over to your Facebook fan page, go over to the About section, scroll down, and then right here in this general section, username, that corresponds with your URL name. Now, this was not the case back then. They didn't call it username, but it's called a username now, and that corresponds with this name right here in the link. So you want to click edit, and then right here, it says here, it's easier for people to find your page when it has a unique username. Pages with usernames can also create custom URLs that will let people quickly visit and message them. So right here is where you want to change your name or add your name. And then when you're done, you want to click create username, and that will also create a Facebook URL, a corresponding Facebook URL name. So that is it. That is where you go to change your Facebook page URL name. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.